guys, we're doing a room tour of cabin 8300 on the Carnival Freedom. So first off, here's our door decorations. They're new to us. Mailbox outside the door. We'll get in this room. All right, when you walk in, standard 3 closet system. We've already unpacked, so these are hang-up clothes, shoes down there. This we actually just keep dirty clothes hamper in, but there are hangers, more like a half closet than a whole closet, and shelving up there, which we don't utilize. And then this is where we utilize a lot of our stuff. We have a lot of fold clothes. Quick tour of the bathroom, just standard Carnival bathroom. You got your shower, shampoo, shower gel, bathroom. Like I said, we're already set up. So we like to bring hand soap, and then just all the amenities here. So for some reason we overpacked a lot of deodorant this trip. All right, moving on. Nice mirror for makeup. Does have light. Not as bright as I would have thought it would be. Some drawers here. You know, we just keep some tip money right here usually. Games that we brought along. Undergarments. Kind of like a hair junk drawer. Keeping a laptop in here. Pro tip, to keep your fridge cooler, take some Kleenexes and stick them in the door, otherwise you can't, it won't get cool. These waters right here are a charge, so don't drink them unless you would like a charge. Just how we organize right there. Only one outlet in this room, all over. This is the only outlet, so make sure you bring an extender. In-room safe. Really easy to use. We use the sides of this for our mask. We have a variety of different masks, so that's where we kept them. Very small TV, some artwork, some shelves down there, extra storage in here. As you can see, we kept like the GoPro camera, some games, things like that. Pro tip, bring hooks for your room. As you can see, we have hooks all over. We also have these fans that we're going to use. You do have to have a power bank or something since there's not any power over here. Couch, comfy couch. It does turn into a bed as well. And then the bed, just a king bed. Nightstands on either side. Some storage in there also. Going out to the balcony, we have set sail. There's 2 deck chairs out here, so one we put right there, more room for activities, and then a side table. So decent, regular, standard size balcony. So there's that. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys.